Ever thought about renting an RV for your next vacation? Imagine the freedom of the open road, the comfort of your own space, and the adventure that awaits at every turn. Imagine waking up to the sight of the wilderness right outside your window, all while enjoying the cozy comforts of home. This is the allure of RV vacations. But here's the burning question: to rent or to own? Now, should you rent or should you own an RV? Let's examine the pros and cons. First, let's discuss the advantages of renting an RV. After all, it's an appealing option for many. Renting an RV offers a world of choice. You can test drive various types, from compact camper vans to spacious motorhomes, to find the perfect fit for your travel style. You can switch it up for every adventure. It also comes with a lower cost compared to owning. No need to shell out big bucks for a vehicle you'll use a few times a year, and let's not forget maintenance. When you rent, those worries belong to someone else. You just enjoy the ride. Plus, you don't need a massive driveway or extra storage space for an RV that's not in use. You just pick it up when you need it and drop it off when you're done. Renting an RV certainly has its merits, but what about owning one? There are benefits to that as well. For those who are really bitten by the travel bug, owning an RV might be the way to go. Let's see why. There's a unique sense of freedom that comes with owning an RV. Imagine having the liberty to hit the road whenever the mood strikes, without having to worry about rental availability or checkout times. You're in control of your own adventure. Owning an RV also offers the opportunity for customization. You can create your perfect home away from home, tailored to your specific needs and tastes. But the benefits don't stop there. Your RV can double as a source of income. When you're not using it, consider renting it out to fellow adventurers. It's a fantastic way to offset maintenance costs and make your investment work for you. And let's not forget the sheer joy of ownership. There's a certain pride and satisfaction in having a space that's truly yours, especially one that enables such incredible journeys. Owning an RV is a dream come true for many, but it's not without its drawbacks. Like everything in life, both renting and owning an RV come with their own set of downsides. Let's start with renting. Availability can be a hitch. Popular models may be booked out during peak vacation seasons. Then there's the rental cost. For some, it might seem steep, especially when you add in insurance and mileage fees. And don't forget about those rental restrictions. Some companies may limit where you can go or how many miles you can travel. Now, owning an RV isn't a walk in the park either. There's the maintenance that needs to be done both regularly and annually. Plus, you'll need a place to store it when you're not on the road. And let's not forget depreciation. Just like a car, an RV's value will decrease over time. It's clear that both renting and owning an RV have their pros and cons. It's all about finding what works best for you. So, renting or owning an RV? The choice ultimately depends on your lifestyle, budget, and desire. While we're here, please subscribe to the channel and consider hitting that like button and sharing this information with others. Consider carefully and weigh the pros and cons to make the best decision for you when it comes to renting or buying. Whether you decide to rent or buy, the open road is waiting. Adventure is out there. Happy travels.